With plenty of space and an A+ energy rating, this Beko fridge freezer is an economical way to store your weekly shop. The adjustable glass shelves make storing different sizes and shapes of food to your preference easy, so you can quickly find and access ingredients when you're cooking a meal. The antibacterial door seal has a special coating which prevents bacteria and germs from entering your appliance. Your fridge will stay cleaner and more hygienic, which keeps your food fresher and tastier for longer. An A+ energy rating is awarded to appliances which reduce energy consumption, perfect for those looking for an environmentally friendly appliance that can help save money on energy bills. With a large salad crisper and clear drawer fronts, this Beko fridge freezer provides plenty of space to help keep your groceries organised.